All right, last week I demoed the initial version of my GPT Eyes project. This weekend I hacked together a much more interesting version. So I'm gonna go ahead and demo that for you now. Keep in mind that this AI it has no prior knowledge of anything. It will only get information from the camera, see all these boxes doing object detection, and from the information it can search on the internet. And apologies, I think my fridge is a little bit loud, but that's gonna come into play here. So let's run this.
What can I help you with?
What is the keto diet?
I'm looking it up. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet. It lowers blood sugar and insulin levels, and shifts the body's metabolism away from carbs and towards fat and ketones.
All right, I want to know, if I show you food that I have, can you identify which food is keto?
Sure, show me your food and I'll tell you what is a keto food.
So I'm going to just show it my fridge. I've added a bunch of this stuff to my custom data set. So if I just through here and give it a good glance at some things, it should pick up what I've got in here. And when I turn away from the fridge, it's going to know that we're not looking at the fridge anymore, and it should be able to process this. So just give it a sec. It should be identifying this shortly.
Okay, processing.
Okay, so it did identify. We're done. A little slower than I liked, but that's the most recent thing I added, so I'm okay. So it's going to go and search the web and figure out what's keto and what's not.
It looks like you have steak, spinach, butter, avocados, and lemons. Those are all great keto foods.
Okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to search the internet for a recipe that uses those ingredients so that I can make dinner.
Searching the web.
Okay, so it's gonna go hopefully find me a recipe that uses ingredients. It didn't get everything right in the fridge, but that was a pretty good start, especially considering my data's not
I
great.
found a recipe called 15-minute lemon garlic butter steak with spinach that uses your ingredients.
Thanks so much. You did exactly what I needed, and I'm all done. Thanks.
You bet. See you later.
Okay, so we initiated the shutdown sequence. You're going to see my program has stopped running, as you can see on the screen cap. It did pull in his recipe, so let's go check out that recipe and see how it did on ingredients. Just pasting that on the right, and then I'll put that in the screen grab so you guys can see it. Let's see, 15-minute lemon garlic butter steak with spinach. Okay, so we got the lemon, the steak, the spinach, right? The butter. You can see this uses a few things that I didn't have. But I mean, like, this isn't a complete product. This is just a demo, which that's pretty impressive for like something I just hacked together. So this AI is pretty good. But anyways, I just wanted to show a demo of this and how you can kind of begin to give GPT eyes and do some crazy stuff with it. So as you can see, I gave it a bunch of image recognition of stuff in my fridge, and then we paired that with the internet in a very interesting way to get this. So pretty cool demo. We'll see where I can take it next.